Hey there, drone fans. Today is day 10 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and man, have I got a cool Drone Valley prize for you today. But before I get to this, 'twas the night before Christmas, and Santa and Mrs. Claus were sitting in front of a roaring fire enjoying the evening, and Santa started to worry because he was hearing about really bad weather reports, and he had to get the sleigh fired up and get out there and deliver toys to all the good girls and boys across the world. So he said to Mrs. Claus, "Boy, I don't know, that weather sounds pretty bad. I hear the wind whipping out there. Honey, could you do me a favor and walk over to the window and let me know what it looks like outside?" So Mrs. Claus was knitting over there, and she was a little annoyed by it. She said, "Sure, I'll get up and go look at the weather." So she puts down her knitting, she stands up, she walks over to the window, she gently pulls back the curtain and gazes out into the night, and with a smile on her face, she turns to Mr. Claus, Santa, and says, "It looks like rain, dear." On the 10th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new 95-watt Drone Valley car charger kit. That's right, you're getting a whole kit. And this kit is really cool because it gives you a 95-watt car charger that's a Drone Valley product. We actually developed this a couple of years ago, and it's an incredibly popular product because you can charge a ton of stuff in your car. It's got 3 ports on the end, 2 USB-Cs, and a USB-A. It's also QC for quick charging and PD for power delivery, so no matter what you want to charge, you can plug it in here and charge it up in your car. You can charge your drone batteries, your camera batteries, you can charge your tablet, your phone, your game console, whatever you got that runs on electrons, plug it in here when you're in your car and charge it up fully. But that's not it. It includes a cable. Now watch this. The cable's wound up. It's magnetic. It'll wind itself back up. How cool is that? Man, technology's amazing. Anyway, you get the cable. You also get a really nice Drone Valley pouch that you can organize everything in. It keeps it nice and neat and organized and protects everything. And we're giving 2 of these away. Now, the contest could not be simpler. If you check down below in the description, you'll see a link. If you click that link, a form will appear. In that form, all I need is your email and your username. Now, I promise you, we're not hanging on to your emails. We're not going to be spamming you all year. We're not that kind of company. We're going to wait for 7 days, collect up all the entries. We're going to pull 2 winners out of those entries. We're going to close our eyes, of course, and pull 2 winners out. And I'm going to send you an email and say, "Hey, good news. You won the Drone Valley 95-watt car charger kit. Send us your address." And I'm going to put this in a box or a bag, and I'm going to send it off to you. And I don't want anything in return. We're not looking for shipping charges. There are no shenanigans. All I want is for you to smile when you open up that package because you won the Drone Valley kit. Now, again, we've got 2 more days coming. I'm telling you, I'm trying to line up some special guests here, but I don't know. When kids get a little older, it's a little tricky. But I got my fingers crossed that all I've asked for Christmas is for those 2 guys to show up for the next 2 days. So if you remember last year, we had a lot of fun. I expect to have a lot of fun this year. So stay tuned because day 11 and day 12 are coming up next. And I know we're getting close to the holidays. So I really hope all of you have got some time off over the holidays to relax with your family. Just put your feet up. Put your warm socks on, watch a couple of goofy TV shows, drink your eggnog, and just have a great holiday season, because I know I will be for sure. So that's it for today. Make sure you tune in for these last 2 contests. Good boy, they're going to be amazing prizes. And until then, happy flying.